Hello everyone, welcome to Sikkhon, and welcome to another tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to change color of an object of a video in Premiere Pro. Let's get started. First things first, drag the footage you want to manipulate the color in project sequence. Then, analyze the footage. Which color of the subject you want to change, decide it first. Then, trim the footage according to your need. After that, go to Lummetry Color option. If you can't find it, go to Window tab, find it from there, and select it. A new window will be open in the right side of the project interface. From Lummetry Color, go to HSL Secondary option. Here, you'll find the option Set Color. From the Color Selection Pen plus icon, you have to select the color of the subject. Now, give a check mark or enable the Color Gray option. You'll see the color properly now. Then again, from the Color Selection Pen plus icon, you need to select the color of the subject again, until all the color of subject is selected. You have to find the color more and more carefully. For example, here I'm finding the dress color of the girl in the footage. I have to make sure all the color is selected properly. You may have to select again and again. Now, you have to tweak the HSL option. First option H stands for hue. You need to move the elements to see the best results. You have to do some experiments here. The next option is S, which stands for saturation. You need to move the elements to see the best results also here. The last option is L, which stands for luminance. After that, you can add some blur into it, just a little bit like one. Now, you have to change the color from correction option. You can experiment any kind of color from the color picker. Here I'm trying to find any different color except red, as the original color of the dress is red. Then you can change color brightness, temperature, and tint, etc. value also, according to your needs and footage. After doing everything, you can check to uncheck the HSL secondary option like this to check the color before and after effect. That's it. Now you can check the whole video to see if everything is worked or not. That's how you change color of an object of a video in Premiere Pro smoothly. For more tutorials, please like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let us know in the comments what kind of tutorials you'd like to see next. Visit Sikkhon.com for a wide range of free and premium courses. Thank you for watching.